The IRS penalizes business owners for not making quarterly tax payments. If your business makes money in any given quarter, then the IRS wants their cut 15 days after the end of that quarter. You can't wait until you're filing taxes in 2026 to pay your quarterly payments for 2025. For example, your business made a profit between January 1st and March 31st. The IRS wants their cut by April 15th. If your business made money between June 1st and August 31st, the IRS wants their cut by September 15th. If you make zero money during a quarter, then you don't owe tax for that quarter. If you sent in too much money for your Q1 quarterly estimated payment, then the amount you overpaid can count towards a future payment. However, if you did not send in enough for Q1 and you try to catch that up with a larger Q2 payment, nope, doesn't work. You're still considered underpaid for Q1. However, there's an option. If you or your spouse have a W-2 job that withholds taxes, you can increase the withholdings from your W-2 to cover your shortfall or what you missed with the quarterly payments. And here's the big difference. If you send in a quarterly payment, it's considered to have been received by the IRS on the day it's received. However, if you pay the IRS via withholdings, this amount is considered to have been received evenly throughout the year. So you could technically submit all the taxes that you need to via withholdings in December, and that would count and you would not get hit with an underpayment penalty. So let's just say it's the end of the third quarter 2025. You realize you haven't paid $1 in taxes. You're going to make a killing this year, and your spouse has a W-2 job. You say, hey, babe, can we dedicate the last, 5, 10 of your paychecks solely to the tax man? Because that's the only way you're avoiding an underpayment penalty. And if she says yes, that's when you know it's true love. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below.